Now, let me solve problem number 1.234 for you. There is a figure associated with the problem. Let me draw the figure first. A rod AB, force F1 indicated like this, and force F2 indicated like this, and there is separation between the two forces, that is A. Now, the problem statement: a thin uniform rod AB of mass m, this mass m is 1 kg, moves translationally with acceleration. It moves translationally with acceleration W, and this W is 2 meter per second square. Due to anti-parallel forces F1 and F2, the distance between the point at which this force is applied is equal to A. This distance is A is 20 centimeter. Beside this is known that force F2 is 5 Newton. Find the length of the rod. We need to determine the length of the rod, L. Now, what I'll do is, I'll redraw the free body diagram. This is the rod. Force F1 acting in this direction. Force F2 acting in this direction. Now, this rod is accelerated and W is the acceleration. मैं इस acceleration को खत्म करने के लिए और इस rod को रेस्ट पर लाने के लिए मैं एक pseudo force लगा देता हूं इसके center of mass पर. Pseudo force MW opposite to acceleration. Now this is A from here to here, and this, the length of the rod is L. Now this rod is at rest. मैंने pseudo force लगा दिया, अब यह rod rest पर आ गई. Now I can write the first equation. F1 plus MW is equal to F2. And another equation that I can write is, if I write torque about this is 0. F2 into A. F2 into A, the F2 into A is equal to MW into L by 2. I can write this. F2 is known to us. F2 रहने दूंगा. F1 को मैं हटाऊंगा. F1 को हटाऊंगा किस तरह से? Or simply L is equal to 2 F2A by MW, or this length is equal to 2 into, for F2 I'll write 5 Newton, for A I'll write 0.2, for mass I'll write 1, and for W I'll write 2. So this length comes out to be 1 meter, and I can also determine force F1. Please note it down.